Launch the symbol editor with Tools, Editors and Symbol. If you didn't have it right now, switch on the snap and the orthogonal mode. Now control if the grid is set to 2.5 millimeters. Right click somewhere in the editor, go to Properties, and in Sheet control the snap range. Start to create the symbol with drawing a rectangle in the desired size. In the next step, set the required number of pins. And the same for the other side. Now align the symbol to standard with accept all the pins. Now for our special common symbols, align the placeholder for the reference name to the top right. Right click on the reference name, select Move, and move upward with the arrow keys on your keyboard. After that, go to Properties, go to Alignment, select top right and press OK. Now we also move the text container directly under the reference name. Right click on text container, select Move, and also go up with your arrow keys, press Enter, and ready. Now we use the pin manager at the bottom of the screen to set the positions of all the labels. For all the pins at the top of the symbol, select at number X minus 0.5, number epsilon 0.5, baseline right, and name X 0, name epsilon 0.5, and name alignment top right. Now you can select your entries, Ctrl Z, and give it to the rest of the top pins with Ctrl and V, and same for name, Ctrl Z and Ctrl V. For the pins at the bottom of the symbol, starting on pin number 6, your entries is number X minus 0.5, number epsilon minus 0.5,